So for this next box open, we're going to be opening the Wonderworkshop's Dash Robot Launcher. So let's see what's in this box. Go ahead, Anna, show us what we got here.
Can I help?
See on the back what comes with it. We'll see what's inside.
Pull. Stop. Stop. I'm gonna do it. You pull up, Anna. Push or pull.
Takes tug of war for them to do a box open.
And pull out. And
okay, gently, one at a time. Whoa, one at a time. So what do we have there? That's the actual launcher, so be careful with it. Inside the bottom of the box, you've got, again, another one of these warranty informations. You've got, Lydia, can you put that down, sweetie? Right there. And then you've got your instructions, which are basic. Oh, it's really simple. Good. So we'll go through how to set it up later, but you've got your instruction booklet. You've got your packet. Now, Anna, can you open, we've got this, but what's inside this packet? Open it one piece at a time.
3 balls.
A little bit at a time. And when you open it, let's set stuff back in here so it doesn't go running off. All right, so you got another piece of the launcher right there.
Some of the launcher thingies that you want. A thingamajigger with 3 balls.
3 balls.
And a thingamajigger.
Oh, and that's a piece that hooks onto the launcher as well. These are games that you can set up to launch the balls into. Pretty cool.
Games?
Yeah, you set them out and you try to launch the ball into those.
Oh.
You'll see in another. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah, that's why we need to be careful with them. So we got 3 colored balls. They're about ping pong ball size. We'll show them how to do a setup video later. This is just the unboxing. All right. Perfect. And part of the launcher. No, don't do that. That's perfect. And this is part of the launcher too. Very, very cool. So you got your pieces to your launcher. Looks like all 3 of these do something for the launching system. And then this piece as well.
Over here.
Yep, we'll set it up later. We're not going to do that now. And then we've got the 3 balls. And we've got these great little targets to shoot at. So we'll set it up in our next video as a tutorial. And then you guys will see as we practice using scripts and computer programs to launch balls into catchers or into targets. So that's the last of our box open video. Don't forget to subscribe. We got more videos coming. Yay!